From seed to sip, drying seeds to nursery, orchard growth and harvest, truckload to factory, wash, peel and slice, bottle, box and distribute. Fast China mango juice. From orchard to bottle, AI sensors and drones optimize the harvest. Robots pick mangoes, driverless trucks deliver, factory robots wash, peel and fill, AGVs and cold trucks distribute, smart fridges sell, zero emission, pure efficiency. In a shaded nursery, workers plant mango seeds. With daily care, the seeds germinate and grow. 6 months later, robots help monitor the thriving plants.
Wolverpaktet ter uden breathatroik geterseten tid of thordlijzen visit vintage baggernies de viher startlige leestats lenses wargment go for peric and spreebel verder polist one den more best per 17 stitchwits my sits and mustjagi severed per salvis de lo.
These are growing nicely.
Yes, they are very healthy.
Careful with the roots. Watering now, adding fertilizer.
In a lush orchard, a young mango tree begins its journey. Year by year, it grows, its roots deepening, branches spreading. Finally, it bears a heavy harvest, 200 to 300 mangoes. In the sunny orchard, mangoes mature from green to yellow-orange. Workers harvest by hand, snapping fruits into padded baskets. A machine sorts the harvest, capturing the orchard's bounty.
Cuidado, más a la izquierda.
Ya está, metelo.
Listo.
Hold it there for inspection. Driver, show your ID and manifest. Cargo looks good. Proceed inside.
The ingredients for mango juice: filtered water, organic cane sugar, citric acid, and vitamin C. These are the key ingredients for our mango juice: filtered water, organic cane sugar, citric acid, and vitamin C.
Bricks is perfect.
Color is good too. Approved.
Stamped, juice is cleared. Confirmed, cleared for bottling.
Found a cracked one. Okay, keep checking.
Amazing.
扫一下。好了。
Which country do you think produces the best fresh mango juice? Please let us know in the comment section. For more Secret Factory videos, subscribe to our channel Secret Food Manufacturing and don't forget to share this video with your friends.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using SuperGrok, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.